In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export your Claude chat step by step so you can download your conversations and keep a backup for later. This is really useful if you want to save important chats, review your work offline, or keep a copy of your Claude history before making changes to your account. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI and software guides. Let's get into it. First, open Claude and sign into your account. Once you're inside the app, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your initials or your profile icon there. Click on that icon to open your account menu. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you'll find the account and privacy options you need. Inside Settings, look for the Privacy section and click on it. Claude keeps the export feature inside the privacy controls, so this is the place to go if you want to download your data. Once you're in privacy, find the option that says Export Data and click it. When you choose this, Claude will begin preparing your export in the background. Now, you just need to wait while Claude processes your request. Depending on how much chat history you have, this may take a little bit of time, so be patient and let the export finish preparing. After that, Claude will send a confirmation email to your inbox. Make sure to check the same email address connected to your Claude account. Open the email from Claude and look for the download link. Click that link to access your exported file. Once the download page opens, save the file to your device. Keep in mind that this link expires after 24 hours, so it's important to download it as soon as possible before it becomes unavailable. And that's it. You've now successfully exported your Claude chat. It's a simple process, but it's very helpful if you want to keep a record of your conversations or move your data somewhere safe. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.